So when we say UX, okay, we don't really think about UX when we look at all these things, right? How many of you now, not recently, I don't know if you guys do, but how many of you have not used Zomato? All right. How many of you have ordered something online, khane ki cheez, something to eat? See, why are we comfortable ordering something online? Because of the user experience. If you would have gone 10 or 12 or 15 years back, you wouldn't be as comfortable doing that. But today, because the apps are giving you such a great experience, कि घर पे बैठे हो टीवी देख रहे हो, मूवी देख रहे हो, हाँ, I want to eat this, I want to eat that, you will immediately order, and it may or may not be Zomato. Okay, but why would you do something? Because it's all about a great user experience. You would book your restaurant seats also from an app today, correct? How many of you have never booked a ticket on an app? Okay, so the point I'm trying to make here is that user experience is everywhere today, okay? It's so much everywhere that we cannot think of standing in a line in a restaurant to be seated. Generally, we would not think of it. We would pre-book, or we would never, now we will not prefer standing in a line at a movie cinema or a theater to get your tickets. You would already do it on Book My Show, you will, or some other booking service. You will get discounts. You are very, very confident that once you buy there, you will get it, right? You can actually see and select the seats as well, right? So the user experience has become so superlative or so amazing that we are relying more on digital products to do our everyday things, right? So the user experience on a Book My Show app will do a lot more than you could have ever done by standing in a line buying tickets, right? So you have a lot more control. You know where exactly you're sitting. You know where is the screen. You know how far you are from the screen and all those things, right? And it's not only that. What other things does Book My Show provide? So ticket pricing or one-on-one or things like that. Food coupons, exactly. And what would the food include? Snacks, there you go. You can pre-order. You can get discounts on, let's say, popcorn and some beverages, and you'll get samosas, I don't know, at some places. So it's not only selling tickets, it's selling you an experience of pre-ordering. So you already know you're going to have caramel popcorns when you're nicely sitting on the best seats that the theater had. Right? Yeah, you can order them while you're inside the cinema hall, and someone will get them for you on a tray. See how the entire experience is entwined in one single app. And this has changed, the Book My Show has changed the way people buy tickets and go to cinemas. Zomato has changed the way people eat or order food or book their seats in a restaurant, right? And why are they able to do that? Because of a great user experience. Always remember.